ketchup? Where's the ketchup?
Ooh, right here, right here, right here!
Oh, there it is. Ooh, this hot dog's gonna taste so good with the ketchup. Ew, I forgot to shake my ketchup bottle. Alright, this should do it. Oh no! Ketchup, you ruined my hot dog. Back to the fridge you go.
Please don't! I don't want to go in there. It's cold and dark. No!
Get in.
No, I don't want to go back in.
Go!
It's so cold and dark, Lily. Why'd you leave me?
Guess I have to go make another hot dog. Alright, I just need to separate these last two Legos. Oh, they're stuck!
Let go!
Oh, you let go!
Oh, this is not working. Maybe if I just work out. 1, 2, 3.
Go, Lily, go, Lily, go, Lily!
Go, Lily!
That should do it.
Whoa! Check out those muscles!
Yeah!
Oh, yes!
We're finally free!
Yeah, now she can use us for other stuff!
I don't need you anymore.
Oh. Hey, Lily! No, Kevin, watch out! Don't step on me! Ow, ow, ow! The Lego's stuck to my foot! Ow!
Are you okay, Kevin?
I'm okay. I just need to take this Lego off. Ah, this hurts.
Oh, why'd you step on me, Kevin? Oh.
Ah, it still hurts.
Let's go get you a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no! Don't leave me! I'm still under the couch! No!
Okay, gotta put my AirPods on to work out. Where are they? I have to look for them.
Lily, I'm right here! I'm right here!
Oh, there you are. Now I just need to look for the other one. It's not here. I wonder where it could be.
Wait, Lily, I'm right here! Ah!
Oh, there you are. Now I can finally start working out.
Oh, hey, there you are!
Yeah, let's start the music!
Yeah,
woohoo! Yeah, keep going! Yeah!
Oh, the battery died. I guess I'll charge my AirPod now. I guess one AirPod's gonna have to do.
Oh, Lily, be careful! Oh.
Alright, time to get ready for school. Where's my backpack?
I'm down here, Lily!
Oh, there you are.
Whoa!
Now I need to put my homework in. Oh, it's all wrinkled. This is all your fault.
Sorry!
Oh, well, now let's put stickers on my backpack. This looks so cute, backpack.
Thanks!
Oh no, I'm late now. Let's go. Hurry on. Woo! Time to practice my soccer.
I got it!
Yes! Oh, I got grass stain on my shoe. Let me try to clean it off.
Oh, stop it, Lily! Ooh!
I guess that's clean enough. Time for my soccer. Oh no, my laces! Oh, I need to tie them. Alright, we're gonna tie this.
Not so tight, Lily! Haha, you thought.
Oh, they came undone again. I'll just go home. Hey, Kevin.
Hey, Lily, what's up?
Just got done playing soccer.
What's that smell?
It might be my shoe. Let me take it off. Come off, shoe.
Never!
Hurry, Lily. It smells so bad.
I'm trying, but it won't come off.
Here, let me help you. Glad we got rid of that.
Sorry, I guess I'll go take a shower.
Hey, clean me too!
Oh, my hair is so annoying. Where's my hair tie?
I'm here, Lily!
Oh, there you are. Now I can finish getting ready. hair tie came out.
Sorry, Lily.
I need to put my hair up again. This isn't gonna work. I'll just use another hairband.
No, Lily, take me back. I'll do better.
Alright, time to go to school. I think I'm gonna use you from now on.
No, Lily, wait.
I can't get comfortable.
Ooh, I can help.
Oh, I can use the other pillow. Much better.
That's not what I meant. How much longer are you planning on keeping your feet on me?
I'm getting sleepy. Whoa! It's kind of flat.
Oh, that feels good.
Much better.
Sweet dreams.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.